Cat are well known for their rugged devices, and when it comes to mobile hotspots, this is no different. The Cat Q10 is IP68 compliant and resistant to rain, snow, sand, dust and dirt. This is built to military specification at mil-spec 810H for drop testing up to 1.8 meters. I did quite a few drop tests with my time with this device, and besides having a few light marks, it still looks brand new. The Q10 is 5G ready, so you can be sure that you're always going to have the fastest possible internet speeds accessible. And if that wasn't enough, you're also able to connect up to 32 individual devices with this hotspot. So whether you're going camping, working on construction sites, or just need to provide a portable internet connection, you can be sure that everyone has coverage. Taking a look around the Q10, on the top you have the power button along with the indication LEDs. On the right hand side you have the USB-C port and SIM tray. On the left hand side you have a handy lanyard attachment, and finally on the bottom you have a removable battery cover. Inside the hotspot is a huge 5300 mAh battery which lasts up to 10 hours on a single charge. But just in case you're caught running out of battery on a long day, you can just pack a spare battery, as the battery in the device is completely removable and swappable. To summarise, obviously the idea of a rugged hotspot device might not be something desired by everyone, but if you're someone that does a lot of camping or someone that works on a construction site and you need to supply a fast internet connection to your friends or colleagues, you can feel confident that this device is going to have no issues surviving in the rain and taking knocks and falls.